Jack Zhai. Welcome to another DIY video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to drill into tile and also install a doorstop. Now, one of the first things you should check when you buy a property is that the door stops have been correctly installed. So say for example with this door, if the door stop wasn't there, this handle would actually crash into this cupboard door and create some damage to both the cupboard as well as the handle itself. So it's super important to have door stops installed. Now over here in this bathroom, we can see that it's newly renovated, but you can see there's no doorstop. Before we even have time to install a doorstop, what we should do is, as an intermediate step, just use a box or some buckets and just block the door. So you can see here, if I put the box there, the door's not going to come crashing into the towel rail or the tiles. That's going to save us a lot of pain, just as an intermediate step. This is another doorstop that I installed. So this door actually reflexes and comes back all the way, more than 90 degrees. But because the doorstop is there that I've installed just then, the door handle is not going to come crashing into the wall and do damage to the handle or the wall. This is another one of my investment properties. So you can see here that I wasn't that quick at installing this doorstop. The previous owners of the property, they had these temporary, I don't know what they are, just temporary door stops that can be moved easily. So they were no use. I didn't have the doorstop, and when the tenant opened the door, it just creates. No, luckily they didn't open the door too hard, but you can see that it created a dent. Now I've installed the doorstop, so that wouldn't happen anymore. But this just goes to show that the importance of doorstops. Yeah, you need something permanent, not these temporary solutions. So today, in this video, I'll be showing you how to install a doorstop. So if we install a doorstop, then we don't need the box anymore. You might be wondering, for this type of application, which doorstop is a good solution. The regular doorstop can't reach the wall, so we've got here some products from Adoored. So this one is a round doorstop, but since we're in the bathroom, it's probably not a good idea to use wood. And then we have these two, which are stainless steel. And we're testing that, yeah, that definitely will stop the door. So the tools you need for this project are some scissors for opening the packaging, masking tape, a marker or a pen, a ruler, a drill, and some drill bits. So the ideal drill bits you'll use are, you could get the special tile drilling bit, or actually any masonry drill bit will actually work. How to tell it's a masonry drill bit is that it's got this little tip at the top. It's like a shovel. That's how you know it's a masonry drill bit. Vacuum cleaner, a hammer, and a piece of scrap wood for tapping in the wall plug. So I'll just show you what's inside this product. We've got the door stop. You've got a support which goes into the ground to give it more support. And you have a wall plug or floor plug and a screw. So first steps first, we'll just see where a good place to place this door stop is. So I think here would be an okay spot to stop the door. And when we're also selecting the spot, we should just be mindful, try to stay away from too close to the edges, because we're going to be drilling into the tile and we don't want to drill too close to the tile. That increases the chance of cracking the tile, so we want to just stay away from that a bit. So the first hole I'm going to drill is for the support, which needs to be the thickness of this. The masking tape increases the grip, so when you're drilling you don't slide around. So the setting that you want to set the drill is not on screw or hammer, definitely not hammer drill, but set it to the drill function. We're just using a special tile drill bit to drill through. So once you actually drill through the tile, you can actually switch to a masonry drill bit. So that will save the tip. We're just making sure that the thickness of the drill bit is the same as that of the piece that we're trying to put into the ground. And we can also speed up the drilling and set it to hammer drill. That will help us drill down into the concrete much faster. Like so. Another thing, so what we do is we just mark the depth that we need to drill to. Like so. Now that we've drilled the hole, we can put in the support, like so. Fit the door stop, and then just test it. So we can rotate this to make it line up with the door. And then just mark the center. So I'm going to drill the second hole now. Remember to set it to drill no hammer. Just test that it's lining up correctly. That looks pretty good. So once we've drilled through the tile, we're going to switch to our masonry drill bit again. we're going to put in this wall plug and then hammer it in. So once you have it in the wall plug, you should just remember to remove the masking tape. So now we can fit in the doorstop and screw it in. So changing the drill to a screwdriver, we're just going to screw that in. And there you have it. So let's test it out. Yep, works perfectly. So you can see that it's working very well. And that's it. So I hope you learned something new. That's how you install a doorstop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this content, please hit the likes and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video.